everybody. This is Shweta Sevikeri, working as a test lead in DX Minds Innovative Labs. So everyone know what is software. Basically, we have a problem in our real world. We solve that problem with the virtual solutions. To build the software, we have certain steps called as SDLC, which involves requirement gathering, um, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. The most important phase is testing. Testing is a phase in the software development life cycle. Basically, we do a testing for building the software for the client, and testing, and we make sure that we are building right product and product right. Exactly, right product and product right. That is where verification and validation when it comes to testing. Verification is a process where we are building the project right. Whatever we are doing, it has to be properly working without any bugs. And validation is whatever we are building should be matching with the client requirement. Whatever the client wanted to have in their application, that has to match the product. So verification and validation are the most important part of testing. And we make sure that software should work effectively and efficiently. Correctiveness of the software is most important. And there are so many benefits of software testing. Effectively, cost effective, because rework will take lots of cost, and if we test application at an initial level properly, then that maintenance cost, that development cost, delay in the timelines will be reduced. And security, if we are a developer will develop the application according to the requirements, but there may be a security crunch while developing the application. Tester has to make sure that it has to pass all the security crunches. And product quality, product quality is the most important criteria. Quant, Client will pay more money, but he will not compromise in the quality of the application. And customer satisfaction is what we are working for. So that is most important part of testing. We have to meet all the customer requirements, and we have to test whether application is meeting all the customer requirements or not. And basically there are two kinds of testing, that is manual testing and as well as automation testing. Manual testing involves testing each and every component thoroughly with respect to the input and output. We perform all the workflows manually, and we will test the application. Automation testing involves the automation of the automation using different programming languages like Java, Python, using Selenium, and there are so many tools which help us to automate entire workflows to avoid human intervention. And there are some bugs which may be missed by the tester during the manual testing engineer. So automation testing will help you to come across this. And whenever there are so many possibilities where manual tester has to test the application again and again because of bug fixes. Automation testing will avoid that scenario. Once we format our test scripts to run for the particular workflow, it will run for multiple times. That is time saver and effective to do the testing, because tester will have that timing crunch whenever he is testing the application. He may involved in the multiple projects, or there may be a less timelines. Due to the extended timelines, he will get very less time to test, and retesting will take lots of efforts. So there are so many aspects where automation testing will help you to test in different variants. Testing also